You got one more window to cut around.
Hey, there's one question I didn't ask you. After you installed the spray texture knockdown here, you didn't sand the walls, did you?
No, because we wanted to leave the texture was we wanted to leave it to be a little aggressive, and just sponge down on the edges so you don't have any big blobs sticking out on your corners and edges.
On the outside corners, yeah, I saw you use just a wet or a damp rag and wipe those edges down.
Just wipe it lightly just to catch the edge, not to remove any of the wall texture, but just the edge if there's any roughness. And so rolling the sealer on, and the better quality sealer, you get it sealed nicely, and there's no reason why you'd have to sand it.
Because that softens up the wall too, because you're kind of filling in some of the rough.
Exactly, yeah.
But I've seen, some people sand their spray texture,
Yeah.
but you're not doing it because you looked at the existing walls and you
Yeah.
made a determination whether or not you felt that
Yeah.
needed to be sanded or not.
Yeah, and we when we textured, used the texture compound, we mixed it up a little thin so it wasn't real thick. The thicker the texture, the more pronounced and then you have to sand it when it's rough or thick.
Okay, the ridges and
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah. So that's a kind of a process. A lot of the spray texture is you spray it on and there's no sanding involved at all. And when it's all new and uniform like this,
Yeah.